Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the ChubbyPopChaser opening comic books. Right here, I got a mystery box. I'm not sure where I bought it from because I bought so many, so they're just coming in, so I'm just taking it. But when I find out in the video, the link will be down below. So let's go. Hit the intro. Yep. Once again, I got a mystery comic box here. Not sure where I bought it from. Like I said, I'm getting a lot of comics coming in. I'm on a mystery box kick again, so let's do this, right? Anyway, once I find out, it'll be inside down there on the bottom somewhere. So anyway, handy dandy trusty. See what we got. It's a good thing you put them in a box. Except if you didn't put them in a box, I would have cut them. Here we go. We got a box of stuff. And it's another box of stuff. Oh, got it. Alright, this is Bird City. This is Bird City. They gave me a little sticker. Little sticker. Bird City. So, it was a mystery box, but they opened it live on camera. And I also bought some other things. So, I'm going to show you guys anyway. I'm going to show you what I got. So, Bird City's pretty cool. They're on Facebook. They do a lot of Facebook auctions and whatnot. So, I went in one day and they're like, hey, mystery box, $50. I was like, sure. And then they said, hey, we got this comic. And I was like, ooh, I'm looking for that comic. So sure. All right, hold on. I gotta see how they're doing this here. Okay. I'm guessing that's the best ones on the back. So we're gonna go this way. Okay. Now I'm ready to go. Book number 1 is Ironheart. This should be a Scotty Young, yep, variant. I like Scotty Young stuff. It's very childish and whatnot. Very nice. Came in good condition. Alright, we're good with that. Next is Star Wars number 50 variant Emperor, old school, toy variant. They say it's $8, probably less. Next is Crim Fairy Tales from Xenoscope. Yeah, not sure know much about that, but here you go. Next is, it's a thickie. Huh. Batman and Catwoman. What is this one? Number DC Crimes of Passion. There you go. Crimes of Passion. Batman and Catwoman. Next. Boom. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez. All these stickers they give you. So the best one wasn't on back. It was in the middle. Boom! I got it. My Funko variant of Venom number 25. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Boom. Moon Knight. Moon Knight number 200. Venom number 25 variant. Very nice, very nice. Once again, got 2 more to go. Boom, what's this? Deceased number 1. Unkillables number 1. Interesting cover, to say the least. Last but not least, whoosh, Powers of X. Issue 1 of 6. Variant cover. That's my haul from Bird City. Check them out on Facebook. The link will be down below. Thank you for watching. ChubbyPopChaser is out.